today our focus is going to be on a class for depression. So how we can work with our bodies as a tool to lift our mood. So if you like and when you're ready, we're going to gently come to lying on our back. So lying on your back on the floor. Any issues with the lower spine, always keep, so any lower back pain, keep your feet flat on the floor, knees folding into each other. If not, I'd invite you, if it feels okay, to bring your soles of your feet together and let your knees fall out to the side. If you've got the luxury of cushions, you could stack cushions under your hips here. Just taking a moment here just to release and arrive. Taking your awareness to your breath. Through the nose or the mouth, you choose, you decide. I'm beginning to notice when we inhale, the abdomen rising and falling. You may want to experiment with placing your hand just below the belly button. Just taking some easy breaths. Inhale, you'll notice the belly rises. Exhale, falls. Inhale, exhale. Really arriving on your mat, noticing the points where your body's in contact with the earth, noticing maybe your own energy today, if you're feeling bright and high or if your energy's maybe a little bit lower. Notice the whole of the back of the body on the floor. And gently shifting your awareness to the inhalation and the belly, the abdomen floating up. And if you like and when you're ready, we're going to take our arms out to the side and slowly moving our head from side to side. Maybe connecting the breath there. Inhale, head up. Exhale, to the side. Inhale, head up. Notice the abdomen. Exhale, to the side. Just beginning to blink the eyes, put some movement in the face. Maybe wiggle the toes a little. And if you like, and when you're ready, we're going to take one knee on top of the other knee. We're going to fold over. So both palms are on top of each other. And if you like and when you're ready, you're going to inhale. Exhale, scooch the top hand forward. And we're going to inhale, open up like a book. So it's only the top half of the body that's moving here. Open up like a book. You choose if you want to take the ear to the floor on the other side. Keep it on that side. On your next inhalation, bring the knees over to the other side. Make yourself comfortable. Again, just choose whatever you need to do to feel more comfortable right now, just do it. Taking the other arm over, two hands on top of each other. Inhale. Exhale, push the top hand over the bottom hand. Inhale, open it up like a book. Oof. We may want to take the gaze with the hand. Inhale. Come back over. Just begin to be curious about how this might feel on your spine. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale. Bring the hand over. Deeply inhale. Exhale, push that top arm forward. Open up like a book. Open up like a book. And slowly coming back to neutral. Slowly coming back to neutral. And gently hugging your knees in and having a little rock from side to side. Little massage. It's not as good as a proper massage, but it's at least take your awareness to maybe any tension in the spine, and one side might feel more sensitive than the other. As mine does, one side feels a little more sensitive, so just being mindful of that. And if you like, and when you're ready, we're going to rock right over onto one side and take the top knee up, pull over like a lever, just pulling ourselves back, forward. And then, if you like, and when you're ready, keeping the hands below the kneecaps, we're going to fill the abdomen, lengthen the arms. Feet are active, they're not just flopping around like a leaf. Feet are active. So inhale, fill the belly. Exhale, bend the elbows. Exhale. Inhale, straighten the arms, fill the abdomen. Exhale. Nose or mouth, you decide. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now scooching the hands just below on the backs of the legs. Begin to shake the legs. Take the hands away. Shake, shake, shake the hand. Shake the hands in the other direction. They won't fall off. Really shake. And then stop. Breathe. Smile. Squeeze the face muscles. No one can see you. Have a little move around. Do it again. Shake, 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 shake. You might want to take your arms wider, legs wider. Pause. Notice. Slowly bringing the hands below the knees. Have a gentle rock and roll. So if you haven't done this for a while, it usually feels like there's no bend in my spine at all, and I'm like an iron board crashing onto the yoga mat. So have a few tries and we begin to soften. Just like some toffee that needs to be softened and get a bit more soft so we can move. And if you like, and when you're ready, coming into a comfortable seated position. And again, on these yoga videos, you'll see people doing all this stuff, showing off, ego, showing off. If this is not comfortable, sit in a chair, sit on the sofa, sit like this, okay? Use props, use blankets. So I'm going to use a cushion to sit on. I always recommend we use props. Some people who are really ego say props is weakness. I can't use a prop. But without using props, we hurt ourselves and damage ourselves. Now I want to do yoga till I'm 127. So I'm going to use as many props as I can. Okay, so it's coming to a comfortable seated position. Just taking a moment, eyes open or closed, you choose, you decide. Just beginning to notice the front of the body opening, and how can you make yourself more comfortable here right now. Just a millimetre here, you might want to put some rolls in the shoulders, and opening at the front of the body. You may notice a lengthening of the spine. Maybe the chin's parallel with the floor. Just taking a moment to come back to your breath. Can you notice your breath and the movement of your abdomen? And if you like, and when you're ready, connecting with the floor next to you, just notice the different texture of the mat or the temperature. And we're going to inhale. Exhale, pull it down. Hands to the heart. It's your choice if you want to inhale for the count of 4. Exhale for the count of 6. One more time. Inhale. You may want to take the gaze up depending on your neck. You may notice the temperature of your hands. Sometimes we notice and sometimes we don't, and that's okay. Just work on your own beat here, building your own internal narrative. And if you like, and when you're ready, just bring in your hands. You might notice the temperature of the palms of your hands on your knees. And if you like, and when you're ready, just take one hand and stick it on the other knee, and take the other hand behind. And we're going to just take a moment to adjust. How can I create, so we're not like cramped up like this, or stiff. How can I create more space at the front of my body? Stretch out the smile. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, gently twist. So we're twisting from the belly button really, from the lower spine. Keep the gaze down and back. It's better for the neck. Inhale, lengthen. When you lengthen, you may want to stretch the side of the mouth up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Lengthen the spine, push through the floor. You might want to use this front hand as a bit of a lever. Exhale, twist. Just noticing a lengthening at the side of the neck, where it may feel too much or not, and then coming back to neutral. Take a breath here. Connecting with ourselves in the upper chest. Go on the other side. Okay, so I can really notice there that I'm a lot stiffer on this side now than I have done on that twist. So we're going to inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Twisting from the lower spine, lower belly. So it's as if I'm getting the navel to move about 1 millimetre or 2 millimetres to the other side. Inhale, lengthen. Push through the backhand. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. Gaze down and back. Better for the neck. You choose. Look after your neck. Keep the gaze down and back. One more time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Slowly coming back to centre. Bring a few shoulder rolls in here, a few circles, just what feels good for you now. You choose on which side you want the shoulder roll to happen, maybe just being curious about how it might feel different on one side to the other. You can choose what direction you want the circles to go in. Okay, you may even want to really squeeze that together, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Reversing the slump. Okay, so really squeeze it together. And if you like, and when you're ready, gently dropping your chin to your chest. Inhale. Take the chin up to one side. You may notice a lengthening at the side of the neck. Bring the chin down. And if you like, you might want to inhale, taking the chin on the other side. Just being curious about how that feels differently on one side or the other. That does for me a lot. Repeat this, chin down to the chest. Inhale. Opening up the front of the body, lengthening the spine. Taking it back down. Up to the other side. Slowly coming back to neutral. Again, taking a moment to notice your spine lengthening. The front of the body open.